My wife keeps telling me, and a lot of my friends too, I've gone a little bit nuts, little bit crazy, because now I am very particular what I am eating. I prefer everything organic, mostly. Just now I wanted to eat something for breakfast, so I picked the brinjal for breakfast. Yes, I love brinjal chutney, but it has to be freshly made and put on a toast. Even for this, I'm going to use some organic coconut oil. This is from Akshay Kalpa. Add little oil. Always, remember one thing, oil is good, especially if it's organic. Ghee, coconut oil are my favorites, but always use little. Don't take spoon loads and drink and think it's going to do good. Use it in cooking. So don't get that crazy also that, oh, I'll drink 2 spoons of this oil or that ghee in the morning, evening. No. Add it to your food. Eat good fiber. Be healthy. So let's do the tempering here. For this chutney, the mustard. When the mustard seeds crackle, add some cumin, peanut, and reduce the flame and let it cook till the peanuts are slightly sauteed. Now add some sesame seeds, garlic, green chili, curry leaf, add some onion, very little. Now add some turmeric. Now you want these onions to be slightly sauteed. Add pieces of brinjal and also some chopped tomato. Add some water, put the lid on and let it cook on a slow flame for 4-5 minutes till the brinjal is nice and soft. That's it. The eggplant, all of it in this. Add some freshly chopped coriander and a little bit of salt, and if required, small amount of water, and blend this into a coarse chutney. Eggs with whatever little bit of oil that's left. Sprinkle some salt on top and some crushed pepper. I've got some sourdough with whatever little bit oil that's left. Put this toast. Do not add extra oil or anything. That's it. That should be good enough. That's it. Even if the toast is slightly done, that should be good enough. The fried, just off-boiled kind of fried egg. Take the chutney. This is nice, beautiful, very tasty. I am crazy about good food, good breakfast, and add some papaya to this along with this. This one is amazing. The toast itself is so good. Eggplant is enjoyed all over the world. It's even called as a poor man's meat, because eggplant is one thing. If you cook it right, it's very, very tasty. And when the egg melts, wow, when the yolk, pours, this is, wow, just too good. You have seen that in the chutney, it is not just eggplant or tomatoes or onions. The garlic, the peanut, the sesame seeds, the tempering, each one of these ingredients count. This is the kind of food you eat, you'll always be healthy. All I'm saying is, eat good food, enjoy every day. And papaya, wow.